Hey yo, what up guys? What up? Today I'm gonna go ahead and I am going to talk about Cryptide. All right, so this is the whole BBIG spinoff. Okay, we went for a nice little cruise today. We did, right? Now, people on my stream today were asking me, what is Web3? So I thought, like, what better way than to go make a video on it? Okay, so we're gonna go ahead. We're just gonna dive in. All right. Short, sweet, to the point. A beginner's guide to decentralized internet. Um, let's see here. So basically, it's going to be based on public blockchains. However, there are going to be certain sections that can be decentralized, known as DeFi, or like decentralized finance transactions, things of that nature. But basically, it's going to be a little bit more spread out than what it currently is right now, and it's going to be a lot more engaging as well. Um, Web3 does not require permission, which means central authorities don't get to decide who gets to access what services, nor does it require trust, meaning that an intermediary isn't necessary for virtual transactions to occur between two or more parties, aka cryptocurrency. Bang, right? So they talk about DeFi right here. Obviously there's a lot of venture capital firms pouring their money into DeFi. I think DeFi is going to be excellent, but that's a totally different conversation. We could go over the evolution of the web. Okay, so one, two, and three. So Web 1, earliest version of the internet. Basically, it was read only, guys, up until 2004. Like you're just able to read what was on each web page. Past that, okay, now we're dealing with things that we are able to interact with. I'm sure that obviously you guys are well aware, if you guys are watching this, on what you can interact with. Okay, now Web 3, so it's going to be a little bit different. Actually, it's going to be a lot of bit different. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not, I'm just a guy that pays attention to this kind of stuff. That's it, right? So if you guys want to read this entire post, go ahead. All right. Basically, it's going to use AI, machine learning, and then go ahead and cater to a user's specific needs. Decentralization is at the heart of all this. Okay, you can create and deploy apps that will run on a single server. So, like the cryptocurrency Cosmos, what they do is they actually go ahead and issue a scalable like ecosystem for you to go ahead and build on, and then when you go ahead and you buy the actual crypto, like you could stake it for higher rewards, and then it just like the value is within that. And then obviously each crypto might run a different part of the web, but I have a very, very good feeling that they're all going to intertwine. I don't want to really dive all into that, but I mean, as far as this goes, I mean, this is as visual as you're going to get. Okay. We don't know what Web 4 is going to have. We have no freaking idea. I'm interested, but we are not there yet. So I'm focusing on what we have coming towards us. Okay. Web3 and crypto. So let's see here. We'll just go ahead and just breeze through this. I'll let you guys read it. Digital assets, decentralized internet. These protocols may provide various services such as computation, bandwidth, storage, ID, hosting, and other online services. Let's see here. So this talks about live peer a little bit. Okay, so you can earn a living by taking part in the protocol in various ways, both technical and non-technical. That is awesome because people got very, very lazy over the last 2 years. Just throwing that out there. All right, so Web3 will rely heavily on non-fungible tokens. I don't know if I really agree with this. Maybe like highly functioning ones, yes, but also look into my last post that I had about NFTs with Uplift Aerospace. A lot of people don't even know about it, but I think it's going to be a big deal. So I do agree with digital currencies and other blockchain entities. Okay, let's see here. So basically, they're talking about Reddit already. Let's see. So Reddit Karma, Web 2 versus Web 3, simple breakdown for you guys. Now, this is what I want to focus on as far as TYDE is concerned, okay? Advertising. Interactive advertising, behavioral advertising, artificial intelligence, machine learning, okay? Smart applications, web applications, tagging. Now, this is user empowerment through trust, security, and privacy. All right. So, all right. Now that you have a general understanding of Web3, I'm going to dive into CryptTide, okay? Market cap, $20 million-ish. Shares outstanding, 20.31 million, right? Yes, we had a rip today. I don't think we've seen anything yet. Okay, now, do you guys know what CryptTide does? One of the functions of CryptTide is in order to go ahead and create a digital brand and marketing. So not only are they going to go ahead and establish an online presence for you and be, like a potential leader in that field and get a, first mover's advantage, but then they're going to go ahead and they're going to market for you using Web3 when they are very, very familiar with Web3, and most of us are not. Okay, guys, this is a stock that basically we had to go through hell for in order to go ahead and receive. I mean, they shorted the crap out of BBIG. There's so many FTDs. It is what it is. But the fact is a lot of us are battle tested and we know their games. We should really, really know what this thing is capable of. That's all I'm saying. As far as shorts go, right? So we're only talking 3 3/4%. However, look at the cost to borrow. Pretty high, right? Utilization's 100. I mean, guys, it's there. It's there. I mean, first mover advantage. We're talking about an industry that, obviously has so much capitalization that can be taken away from it because nobody has even tapped into it yet. But they're getting, they're getting the ball rolling. And because we waited as long as we did, we have as many shares that we do. And it's a low float, low cap stock. I mean, at the end of the day, what else can you ask for? But that's all I got for you guys. I do need subs. Please subscribe in order for me to get monetized. That's the only metric I'm missing. Also, if you like, sub, share, that'd be greatly appreciated. The more people that know about this, the better off we are. Because, if you're holding on to a bunch of CryptTide, the last thing you want is another person going ahead and just dumping their CryptTide because they have no idea what the actual true value is or what they do is. You know what I mean? But not financial advice, not a financial advisor. I'm just, showing you the facts and explaining the potential that we have right in front of us. You guys have a good one, and hopefully I catch you on tomorrow's stream. Later.